Yeah, I'm Sune Lundin. Morning. Where do I have it? Here, thank you. I will try just to talk a little bit about ISSA also as a starting point before Christian will talk more about the day's main subject. So I don't know what you know about ISSA. Hopefully one slide should turn up here, but it's not doing that. Okay. Do it like this instead. ISSA, as you see here, is a hygiene paper company. We have different businesses within ISSA. We have what we call the hygiene business. We have also the forest business. And the hygiene, we divide it into personal care and tissue. The net sales for ISSA for the first quarter was 2.2 billion euros, the first quarter 2012. Last year we had sales of around a little bit less than 12 billion euros, but then we also included our packaging business in that. But currently, maybe you read about it, we are divesting the packaging business, so we have a change in the total structure of ISSA. We also, in the process, so we gave an offering to Georgia Pacific and their tissue business in Europe. So there is a new company turning up, more focus on the hygiene side than ever before. So hygiene now, today, is about 75% of the company. And what we do, of course, we focus and concentrate our business based on the customer insight, innovation, and also sustainability is a big part of our business. So if you look at our position, ISSA has a global presence. We are in, you meet us in about 100 countries globally. We have the main businesses in Europe. We have a big business in North America, Latin America, in Asia, also in Middle East and Africa. So in all these countries we have quite strong positions. Number 2 and number 1 positions. We have leading positions, especially in Europe, of course, but also in North America and Latin America. And as I said, this is also helping us with our innovations, with our understanding the customer needs, because we have a good customer insight both locally, regionally, and also globally. And that's the base for our innovation process. And our innovation is sometimes regional and sometimes global. ISSA is named as one of the most ethical company in the world by Ethisphere Institute in US. And we are also part of Dow Jones Sustainable Index. And we have several other awards in the sustainability area. So this is actually a very important part of our business. So sustainability, as you can see here, is also very much embedded in our strategy, now how we look into the business going forward. We have also a lot of, by this global presence and also by the history, a lot of strong brands in the company. Tork, as Michael just described to you, is one of our global brands. We have another called Tina in the incontinence area. Both these brands has a net sales of more than 1 billion euros. And we also have several other strong brands, both regional and local brands globally. So if we just look into the tissue side of our business, the total sales of tissue worldwide for us is about 4.4 billion euros. And you can find our tissue business about 80 countries globally. And as you see here, examples of our product is toilet paper, kitchen rolls, handkerchiefs, napkins, and also in this away from home professional area, we have a complete hygiene solution for institutes and companies. And the split in our tissue business is, as you see, about 60-40. 60 consumer tissue and 40% professional. And it is, all our products are manufactured in 45 plants all over the world. We have plants in Europe, we have it in North America, we have it in South America. We also have it partly in Australia and New Zealand. We have in the tissue business about 17,000 employees, a little bit more actually. So this is, here you also see examples of our brands. Maybe some are familiar to you, I don't know, hopefully. There are brands from Americas and from Europe and all over the world. So if we look into Tork, Tork is our professional brand. And this is what we're going to talk about today, the Tork brand. As you saw earlier, this is around 40% of our tissue business, the away from home area. And Tork is a global brand, and you find it in 80 countries all over the world. As I said before, the sales is more than 1 billion euros for Tork. It's a really substantial, big business for SCA. And Tork includes a range of different products, industrial dispensers, paper towels, soaps, industrial wipers, napkins, and training programs, wet wipes, soap. So we have all different solutions in the professional area with the Tork brand. SCA is the market leader. Now we are in Europe, back to Europe from this global view. We are in Europe, and SCA is the leading away from home or professional supplier in this area in Europe. As you can see here, it's about 20% market share. Now when we are hopefully now including Georgia Pacific, it will be around 30% market share in Europe in this area. However, because of this 20% market share and this leading position, we are it's about 1 million Tork packages that get delivered every week in Europe, like these ones. And we know that sick leaves, work-related health problems are quite common in this industry. So we have now not just looked into the normal innovation of products, and as I talked about before, but also we have been incorporating a caring dimension to our products in order to address this problem with sick leaves and work-related health problems. So now, Christian will take you through what we do in this area.